Hey, future engineers, ready to ace your Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication? You've come to the right place. We're diving deep into the top 7 must-know topics that will lay a solid foundation for your tech journey. From understanding core components to mastering programming languages, we've got you covered. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. Basic electronics. This is where it all begins, the foundation upon which the entire world of electronics is built. We're talking about understanding the fundamental building blocks like resistors, capacitors, and transistors. Think of resistors like traffic controllers in a circuit, limiting the flow of current. Capacitors are like energy storage units, holding onto electrical charge until it's needed. And then there are transistors, the real game changers. We'll break down each of these components, exploring how they work individually and how they interact in a circuit. With a good understanding of basic electronics under our belts, it's time to dive into the world of digital electronics. We'll uncover the magic of logic gates, the fundamental building blocks of digital circuits. We'll see how AND, OR, NOT, and XOR gates use simple logic to process information, forming the basis for everything from calculators to complex AI algorithms. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of the digital realm, where logic and numbers combine to create the technology we use every day. Now that we've got a handle on both analog and digital electronics, it's time to connect the dots with network theory. We'll dive into Kirchhoff's laws, which give us the tools to analyze current and voltage in any circuit. We'll also explore network theorems like Thevenin's and Norton's theorem, simplifying complex circuits into more manageable equivalents. Once you understand these principles, you can predict how electricity will flow and design circuits that meet specific requirements. Let's shift gears now and talk about electronic devices and circuits. Here, we'll take a closer look at some of the key players in electronics like diodes, transistors, and amplifiers. We'll go beyond the basics and delve into their operational principles, understanding how they manipulate electrical signals to achieve specific outcomes. But it's not just about theory. We'll also explore the real-world applications of these devices, discovering how they're used in everything from power supplies to oscillators. Get ready to see how these electronic building blocks come together to create the technology that surrounds us. Hold on tight because we're about to enter the world of pulsed digital circuits, or PDC. Here, we'll explore how digital signals are generated, shaped, and manipulated to process information and control electronic devices. We'll dive into concepts like clock signals, flip-flops, counters, and shift registers, understanding how they work together to store information and control the flow of data within a digital system. Just like a drummer uses different beats to create a song, PDC uses pulses and waveforms to control the timing and sequence of operations in digital circuits. So, get ready to master the art of signal manipulation as we unlock the power of pulsed digital circuits. Alright, it's time to add another layer to our skill set: programming. Specifically, we'll be diving into the world of C programming, a language that's essential for anyone looking to work with embedded systems and hardware interfacing. C is like the universal language of microcontrollers, those tiny computers that power everything from your microwave to your smartphone. We'll learn the fundamentals of C syntax, data types, control structures, and functions, giving you the tools to write code that can interact directly with hardware. With C programming, the possibilities are endless. So, get ready to unlock a whole new level of control and creativity as we learn to speak the language of microcontrollers with C. Finally, we've arrived at the heart of it all: microcontrollers and microprocessors, the brains behind countless electronic devices we use every day. We'll explore the architecture and functionality of these tiny but powerful chips, understanding how they process information, control peripherals, and bring our electronic gadgets to life. We'll delve into the world of memory organization, input-output ports, interrupts and timers, gaining a deep understanding of how microcontrollers interact with their surroundings. From simple embedded systems to complex robotics projects, understanding microcontrollers and microprocessors opens up a world of possibilities for creating innovative and intelligent devices. So get ready to unleash your inner tech wizard as we demystify the world of microcontrollers and microprocessors. That wraps up our whirlwind tour of the 7 must-know topics for your B.Tech in electronics and communication. We've covered a lot of ground, from the fundamental components to the programming languages that bring them to life. Master these topics, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a top-notch electronics and communication engineer. Keep learning and stay curious.